prettiest night of the year so far, and here we are under the stars. I feel positively yar.
Yar?
Yeah, yar.
What the hell is yar?
Oh, Jagger, Katharine Hepburn, the Philadelphia story. Don't tell me you haven't seen it.
Nope.
Oh!
No, I didn't.
It's a classic. It's one of my favorite movies.
Is this film kind of like a woman film?
A woman film? There's men in it, too.
Really?
Impossible. You know when you got caught out in that storm last summer? Is that when things started up between you and Karen?
Yeah, I started before that, but I guess she didn't want to admit it.
Well, that doesn't surprise me. I mean, she's so... Well, she used to be so uptight. Guess nothing stays the same forever, huh?
Yeah, you got that right.
Hey.
What?
Let's go for that swim. Come on.
Sure. Is this your thing work in the water, too? I mean, I don't want to spoil your movie.
Are you kidding? It works even better in the water.
Are you sure? In the water.
In the water.
I gotta see this.
Come on! What are you waiting for? Come on.
All right, okay. All right, what?
Hey, where are you going?
Listen, I had enough. Had enough.
Fine. All right, I'm going to swim to the buoy and back.
All right, just watch out for sharks, all right?
Don't even say that. Don't leave without me.
I won't.
Brenda! Brenda! Where are you? Brenda!
Hey! Wait. Jagger. Honey. What is it?
I was worried about you. You didn't answer me.
I didn't hear you. You were worried?
Yes.
I love that.
It's not a joke. Something could have happened to you, okay?
Hey, look, I'm okay. Okay.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm cold, though. How do you tell?
Here.
Whoa.
This should warm you up.
Oh,
Okay?
Thanks. What about you?
I'm not cold.
Oh, Jagger, come on. You should take one of the towels.
Hey,
I'm okay.
I'm not taking no for an answer. If it wasn't for you and what you did with Mike's picture...
Oh, right.
yeah.
I'm a real darkroom genius. Come on. I was just happy to help. Look, don't make a big deal out of it. It'll make me uncomfortable.
Yeah, we wouldn't want to do that.
Were you really worried about me earlier?
Yes. I was.
That's really nice.
I think we should head back.
Oh, do we have to?
Oh, please don't start whining. I hate when you do that.
All
Drives
right.
me crazy.
All right. I promise I won't whine if we just stay one more minute.
What a bargain.
Did it work?
Yeah, it worked.